stopwords is also one of the concepts that we're going to see over and over again. All right. So when we talk about stopwords, we are talking about a set of commonly used words in a language. Okay. And I've given an example here, right? Example like there is, right? All those kind of things. They are stopwords, right? We are talking about words that are commonly used that they carry very little useful information, right? So, for instance, if I am speaking to you, I can be saying, there is, those ones don't really matter, right? If I want to tell you that I'll come tomorrow, maybe I'll say, I will, I'll come tomorrow. Okay, so now all those I will, all those things, they are not important. The most important thing is come tomorrow. That's the most important thing. So all those on all those things that I was doing are called stopwords. Okay, they don't really carry any information over there. So in when you're working on test data, all those things, you're going to cut them off. You're going to delete them. Okay, you're going to delete them. Or we say that you're going to remove stopwords. So those are the things, right? Someone can say is a lot of times, and I mean those things don't carry. It helps to form the grammatical structure of the sentence, but to not have much impact on the on the action that you're supposed to take when it comes to text processing. Okay, so most of the time we remove those kind of words. Okay, we remove those kind of words from the text before we process, and those kind of words are what we refer to as stopwords. All right, we're going to see a demonstration of that, right? We're going to go to the lab session, to the notebooks, and then we're going to see how we remove these kind of stopwords over there. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do next is to learn what is referred to as text pre-processing, which is quite an important concept to understand. In fact, that's mainly the thing that you're going to do when it comes to natural language processing. You'll be processing the text before you use it for any use case, right? And we're going to have our first hands on the things that we have learned so far. Okay, the stopwords, the vocabulary, document, sentence, corpus, tokenization, word corpus. A lot of things that we have, understand over here. We're going to go to the lab session and then have a first hands-on on that. Okay. After that, there are more concepts that I'm going to introduce you to in the lab session. Okay. We have lemmatization and stemming and all those words. Okay. Lemmatization, stemming, and all those, terms, right? Bag of words and all those. We're going to see all of that. Okay. We're going to see all of that. But first, let's go to the lab session, have a hands-on of what we have learned so far. Okay. So that you have a reinforcement of the concept before we move on to another step. All right, so the link to the notebook is right here. Okay, so you just click on that link, right? You just click on this Google Colab, right? Once you click on that, it's just going to open for you like you're seeing over here, right? So this is what we're going to use. Okay,